Hey guys, it is Dr. Ihrig here, and this one we're basically going to be talking about some simplifying functions. Now, the next couple of videos are going to be examples of how to solve these problems when they're multiple choice, which is predominantly what you're probably going to see on the EOC, or you'll be able to be dragging and dropping. So that's what that's the next slides. The reason why I put this up here is I just want you to get in the habit of typing functions into the calculator. So anytime we see functions, we're going to always use the graphing calculator. And then we literally type it in just as it's written. Number 11 says a of x plus b of x. So I'm going to first type in my a of x function. So a of x equals x minus 5. B of x equals negative 3x plus 4. And then it wants to know what are the two of them added together. So all you would write is literally a of x plus b of x. And that's the answer. The answer is this green line. Now, in theory, it's not going to tell you what that equation is. So this is when the multiple choice piece comes into play. That's going to be in episode 47 and 48. So you can see that it'll have multiple choice answers that we can test. This video is just practicing typing it in. So for this next one, it says, what's c of x plus f of x? So same thing, you're going to type in the first function that they give you. So I'll type in c of x squared minus 3. The second function was f of x, so we'll type in my f of x function. And then, because we want to add it together, you can literally just leave it, c of x plus f of x, and that red graph is the answer. Okay, now you don't necessarily know what it is, but that's the answer. Now, in this case, I will show you how to do it. C of x is 2x squared minus, and I'm going to leave a space for the 3, minus the 3 all the way over there because I like to line things up. And then it says f of x is x squared minus 3x plus 4. And because I'm adding, I just add going down. So I've got negative 3 plus 4 is positive 1. This stays negative 3x. And here I've got 2x squared plus 1x squared, which gives me 3x squared. And so if I type that in to check my work, it should be the same as the red graph. And it is. So I know my answer is correct. So we're going to practice more of that on the next page. Just real quick, if you were to do this problem here, make sure when you set it up, here's our f of x equation. Because we're subtracting g of x, we're subtracting the whole thing. So that means this becomes a positive, this becomes a negative, and this becomes a positive. And then we would add going down. But the great news is most likely it's going to be like the next 2 episodes where there's multiple choice and we can just type it right into the graphing calculator. Okay? But literally, you can type it in just as written like we've done for other videos and just match the graphs. See you soon.